Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here, in for Rob. Happy Wednesday, February 21st, 2024. Hope you're doing well. So yesterday I showed you a long opportunity on the daily. Today I figured I'd show you using my Heikin-Ashi methods what a short opportunity looks like. So you can see on the daily, APPS. And what I want to show you is, so back here where the cross, champion cross turned red. Okay, now my bias is to the short side. So what I wait for is the retracement, which is the green here. Then in my scan, I get a yellow red. That then is the entry I'm looking for. Okay. So yes, I missed the initial part in this case, waited for the retracement, resumption in the downtrend. That's a fantastic entry in my Heikin-Ashi system. And what I like to do with that, folks, is when you take a look at it, so, the risk right here, the stop. Okay. Now the exit is on a green dot, right? So we need a green dot over here in order to get out of this opportunity. Okay. Now let me go back. We talked yesterday on the 5-minute chart on the SPY. I just want to show you what this morning here. Okay, let me just zoom in to this morning. All right, so this white line right here, this white line is the open, the 9:30 open. So as we talked about yesterday, right? The next bar, flat top, that's your entry. Okay, so the entry on this first opportunity is right here. See the green dot right here? So the exit is at the open right there. Okay, right here is your first trade. Nice little short win. Okay, then again, you can go right back in when you get another yellow to red back in the direction of that trend, right? I don't counter trend, right? You don't take the longs, right? The overall trend here with the champion cross is red. That's your other entry, exit on the red dot, which is right here. Okay, so two nice wins this morning on the 5-minute chart. Okay, and again, I don't like to trade in the afternoon, maybe the last hour or so, but generally speaking, I like to trade during normal hours. So with that, folks, if you want to learn more about how I use Heikin-Ashi, I'm going to show you some advanced techniques tomorrow. Just go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So again, becomeabettertrader/yes and take advantage of it. I have a live webinar tomorrow, Thursday, February 22nd at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so it's at 10 a.m. Eastern. Becomeabettertrader.com/yes. I'm excited to go over some of my really cool stuff I'm seeing on Heikin-Ashi, whether it's a short time frame or a swing trading time frame. I'm going to show it all to you tomorrow. So hope to see you there, folks. Again, have a great night, everyone. Take care.